This is what you'll see when you launch Freelgo for the first time. The setup takes about 60 seconds, and you only do it once. First, choose your language and date format. Next, pick a directory where all your orders will live. Freelgo creates real folders on your disk. Nothing hidden, nothing virtual. Give your main catalog a name. This will be the root for all future projects. Set your hourly rate. It's used when you track time for hourly-based orders. You can change it anytime later or override it per order. Set a monthly goal. It's used only to track progress, and it's visible only to you. Add your first client, or skip this step if you want to start clean. Optionally, you can add your logo. It will appear in reports generated for your clients. Allow screen recording access. Enable this to add screenshot previews to an order. Nothing is recorded automatically. Finally, activate your license or start a free trial. Your email is used only for license management. That's it. Every setting here can be changed later. After this, you just work. Welcome to Freelgo. For now, there's nothing here. Let's feed Freelgo with the first order. To add an order, just click Create a new order. Oh, by the way, you can also enable floating shortcuts. These buttons stay always on top and give you instant access to the most common actions. Select a client from your list. Choose the person placing the order. You add them once and Freelgo remembers it. Add a short description, a clear title that helps you recognize the job later. In this case, the price is already agreed. Set a deadline and you're good to go. Drag and drop files onto the order from Finder, email, or the web. The client shared an old flyer as a reference, so I keep it in the Freelgo reference board while working on the new design. Click here to add a preview. Select any part of your screen, and it's attached to the order. Need to change it? Just click the preview again. The design is sent for approval. The status changes, and the timestamp is saved automatically. The client approves the work. No comments, no changes. Approval is logged automatically. The order is ready to close. Rate the order. It was quick and smooth. 5 stars. Before we go any further, a few quick tips. You can choose whether folders open automatically when an order is created. When creating orders for a client in Freelgo, you can automatically generate your own structure, up to 10 custom folders. And you can choose how folders open, in Finder or in Adobe Bridge. You can also change the app's color scheme to better match your own style. Now let's create an order with time tracking. First, the order has no price. Once you start a work session, time is tracked automatically, and the cost updates as you work, using your hourly rate or half-hour increments, which you can set in the app settings. If you want, you can also plan the time up front. Split the work into stages, estimate the time for each one, and see the total planned cost before you start. As you work, Freelgo tracks the real time and shows you when you go over the plan, by how much, and what it costs. If you finish earlier, nothing is deducted. If you go over the plan, the extra time is added to the cost. Plan your time. See the real cost. Decide what's fair. While tracking time, you can minimize Freelgo to a compact floating bar and place it anywhere on your screen. That way, it stays visible without getting in the way of your work. You can choose how time is tracked. In the settings, you can enable or disable app-based tracking and define which applications count as work. Freelgo tracks time only when those apps are active. After approval, the client asks for a packshot update. You add it as a revision and decide how it's billed, by time or at a fixed price. The revision is added to the order and included in the final summary. The summary works exactly as you see it. What's currently displayed on the screen is what goes into the summary. You can filter orders by date, use quick presets like this month, last month, open, or closed orders only. At the bottom, a summary bar shows the total amount, the number of orders, and the selected date range. With one click, you can export everything to a clean PDF. You've seen how Freelgo works. Now it's your turn. Try it.